We are currently standing in Cooreville Gardens.
It's a very nice community. The only problem has been for the last couple of years is the constant nuisance of the smoke just being a few miles from the Riverton city dump.
There is a stench that is unbearable. It makes breathing almost impossible.
We've had to resort to opening the windows and the doors because sometimes you go to your bed at 9 o'clock and just wake up in the middle of the night coughing.
It is so bad that we had to invest in several air purifiers.
My wife has developed chronic respiratory problems. We've had to resort to as much as doing a brain scan because our sinuses just would not get better. So most time, a good 5 times out of 10, these don't work and we have to use a nebulizer.
How long can anybody continue to live in this sort of condition?